stars, hinges even, so the door will open. Yeah, there's loads in there. That's amazing. This is going to take quite a long time, I think, but that's going to be really fun, and it's going to be a fun thing to do and have it ready hopefully by Christmas, so I can put it on display and just make the house look Christmassy. And that's what it will look like towards the end. I think it is like a little shop, and I believe the front bit of the shop hinges open so you can see inside. Okay, so that's hopefully, fingers crossed, what it will look like at the end. Let's have a look at these pieces. Alright, so there's lots of these are like printed onto pieces of paper with little decorations and motifs that I will have to apply to various things as I go along. And I think you can see on the back that they're cut out, so hopefully I'll just be able to pop out these pieces from the various pages. And this looks like the actual shop part itself. So there's a pack, quite a large pack with lots of wooden, various pieces of wood that are going to form the roof and the shop front, and obviously the back of the model. I'm not going to unpack them all too much because I want to keep them in order and work through it methodically. That's the best way for me, I find, is that if I'm really careful and methodical and read the instructions and do them step by step. That's quite a thick piece of wood there. And the same with these pieces of wood. They are, I think they're probably laser cut, and you can carefully just push them out from the board, and they've all got numbers. So that should be, if you like puzzles, or if you like making models and you're into crafts, then this is going to be a lot of fun. Right, so I'm just going to put everything back in the box, and then we'll get started in another video. In the next video, what is the very first thing that you have to do? I would like to know. So where do the instructions start? Let's have a look. I'm not sure where the instructions start, or maybe it's here. Number 1. Yeah. Well, I think this might be where you start. Here. Find E32 and E51. Stick position, wall furnace. Oh. Okay, so I think I need to provide some glue and a battery, and that's everything. I'm looking forward to making that.